Throughout the lockdown period, we're finding that there are many small businesses that are struggling to navigate their way through the new environment that they find themselves in. With lack of knowledge about not online services and how to get their website to actually start working for them and how to access online meeting technology, this is something that businesses are really struggling with. Now, here at Blam, we're a digital marketing agency, and this is the kind of way that we do business and have been doing business for the last 5 or 6 years. And we wanted to try and help all these small businesses by doing our bit during the coronavirus chaos. Now, we can't do anything from a medical point of view. It's not our space, but we wanted to try and do something in our own small way to help people that are suffering during this period. So we've launched the digital Lifelines campaign to enable small business owners to access the technology that they need to carry on trading online, specifically aimed at small businesses that have got not a lot of clue about how they can utilise the technology because they're used to doing business face to face. So we've got a suite of tools that we're giving access to. An AI website, meaning that you can access the local area using the artificial intelligence technology to locate people that are visiting your website that are local. And this is great if you want to do deliveries or you want to engage with people that are local to you. We're doing a mobile app that will also allow you to engage with your local people and also your loyal customers to enable you to carry on doing business online through a mobile app. And then we're doing the G Suite, which we provide as Google partners to all businesses that want to have cloud computing to enable you to save documents online, use spreadsheets and documents that can all be hosted within the G Suite. And part of that package comes the all-important Google Meet. And Google Meet, we believe, is the easiest way to conduct an online meeting because you don't need to download any software. You can access a meeting just through a couple of clicks and you can have a face-to-face meeting with plenty of uptime all the way through this lockdown period. Now, we're providing all of these services for 3 months free of charge, and we're not going to tie anybody in to a contract. So at the end of that 3 months, if it's done its job and you no longer want to use it, that's absolutely fine, and there'll be no fees from us. And we just want to try and help as many small businesses get through the coronavirus chaos as much as we can, doing our little bit, using our expertise. And right now, that expertise can make the difference between getting through this and actually going out of business. So if you want to get in touch, just fill out the form, get in touch with us, and one of my team will be able to help you navigate through this and get you back trading again. Thanks for listening, guys, and stay safe.